If you have kids, this video is perfect for you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more recipes, okay? So get some pineapples, and here I am just going to pluck the head off and transfer all the pineapples into a bigger bowl. And next I am going to add enough water to make sure it covers all the pineapples, because I am going to give them a very good bath because they've not bathed in days. And next, I am going to add some salt, but if you have vinegar, that is cool. So I'm going to add it and then give it a very, 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 very good wash. So your water runs very clear. So I am going to continue off camera and I will be back. If you are new here, I am Hirat and you are welcome to my channel. Please like this video for me, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video, so you will be the first to watch it, okay? And you can also follow me on other socials as Hirat's Kitchen, and you'll love it there as well. So next I'm going to peel the pineapples, and we'll be using the peels as well. So don't get rid of them, okay? This homemade pineapple drink is just perfect for you and your family, and it is better than store-bought. Trust me. Just give it a try and you come and testify in the comment section. If only you will do so, because you are going to love it, Ankasa. So if you try it, don't forget to come to the comment section and give us your review, okay? So after peeling, I am going to cut them into small chunks just like this to make it easier for my blender to blend it. So into my pot, I will go in with the pineapple peels. As I told you, we are not getting rid of anything here. So I'm going to arrange them nicely and then go in with some ginger for that spiciness, okay? I will add cloves, and then I am going to add enough water to make sure it covers everything. So here I think I used 4 cups of water. So after adding the water, I am going to cover it and allow this to boil for at least 15 minutes, and it is ready now. So just see, and the aroma in your kitchen when you are boiling this thing in, it is out of this world. Just try it and you will know what I'm talking about. And I've lost a footage where I blended the pineapples and then strained it. So just blend your pineapple and then strain it, okay? So next I'm going to allow it to cool down, and then I will use a sieve to strain. So now we can get rid of the pineapple peels because we've got what we want already. After everything, give it a very good mix, and just like that, you just made yourself homemade pineapple drink, which is so yummy and healthy because you know exactly what is inside. Store them in bottles and then refrigerate immediately. If not, it will go bad. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.